you can give yourself a good job.
Artworkfly.
Hi everyone. Sometimes I feel like something doesn't like me. My phone started glitching. My laptop stopped reading my SD card, and this camera keeps shutting off. But nonetheless, I have this $5,000 bill that can buy new ones. You know why? Because I'm fancy. There are many things that you could do with a $5,000 bill if you're fancy. You can look at it. You can blow your nose in it. You can give yourself a good job. Or you can wipe here. My money grows on trees. Reality check. Appreciate what you have, even if it's just a $5,000 bill. Money doesn't make the soul happy, just the flesh. What I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to see if I can create an artwork using these $5,000 bills. So, let's begin.
I have decided to use just one fake $5,000 bill to do the artwork. The drawing is already on it. Now I'm going to paint the background gray. I really didn't know what I was going to draw on it, but when I did some research and think about what you can use the $5,000 bill to do, after many options, I decided to paint my impression of downtown Kingston, Jamaica. On the phone is a picture of downtown Kingston, so I'm using that as a reference to paint. I did not want to cover up all the information on the $5,000 bill. I wanted parts of it to show. During the process of painting, I keep forgetting that the money is not in the center of the table, so I really apologize for that. Some of the painting styles that I use to complete this painting are pointillism, impressionism, and a bit of mixed media. So the reason why I chose downtown Kingston to paint on the $5,000 bill is because you can get a lot with a $5,000 bill. And for those who have visited downtown Kingston on a Friday, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. Now that is what I call Fancy Friday. Things may be cheap, but doing this painting, I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out because I've never done a pointillism painting before, so I could not wait to see the end result. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload. For my new subscribers here, thank you very much for subscribing. I tried to put the image on different backgrounds to see how the camera would receive it so that you guys could see it much better, but it didn't make any difference. The zoom is very blurry. That's it guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Artworkfly.